If your PC or laptop Wi-Fi isn't working or your network port is dead, don't worry. Here is how to give your computer an internet connection using your mobile phone with a USB cable. First, connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Then open your phone's settings and go to mobile network or search for it is in the settings bar. Now turn on USB tethering. That's it. Your computer is now connected to the internet through your phone. Simple tricks like this can save your day and help you get your work done easily. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.